Rev your engines and hold onto your handlebars because today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of the Zontes 350R motorbike, a true marvel in the world of two-wheelers. This bike isn't just a mode of transport. It's a ticket to freedom, adventure, and unmatched style. Let's hit the throttle and explore what makes the Zontes 350R a standout in its class. First things first, let's talk about design. The Zontes 350R is a head-turner, with its sharp, aggressive lines and futuristic aesthetics. The bike boasts a sleek, aerodynamic frame that's not just for show. It enhances performance and fuel efficiency. The dual-tone paint job, coupled with high-quality finishes, gives it a premium look that's bound to make you the envy of every rider on the road. Now, let's get to the heart of the beast, the engine. The Zontes 350R is powered by a robust 348 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that pumps out an impressive amount of power and torque. This means you're not just cruising, you're flying. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or carving up mountain roads, the 350R delivers a smooth, thrilling ride. The bike's acceleration is buttery smooth, allowing you to hit high speeds in no time while maintaining excellent control. The Zontes 350R is packed with cutting-edge technology. It features a fully digital LCD dashboard that provides all the essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and gear position. The bike also comes with keyless ignition, which adds a layer of convenience and security. With sport and eco-riding modes, you can tailor the bike's performance to your liking, whether you're in the mood for a relaxed cruise or a high-octane ride. Comfort is another area where the Zontes 350R shines. The ergonomically designed seat ensures that both the rider and passenger have a comfortable ride, even on long journeys. The bike's suspension system absorbs bumps and rough terrains effortlessly, making for a smooth, enjoyable ride. The lightweight frame and responsive steering make handling a breeze, allowing you to take on tight corners with confidence. Safety is paramount, and the Zontes 350R has you covered. Equipped with ABS, anti-lock braking system, the bike ensures optimal braking performance, reducing the risk of skidding. The LED headlights not only add to the bike's futuristic look, but also provide excellent visibility during night rides. In summary, the Zontes 350R is not just a motorcycle. It's a statement. It combines stunning design, powerful performance, advanced technology, and top-notch comfort to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newbie looking to make your mark on the road, the Zontes 350R is the perfect companion for your adventures. So, what are you waiting for? Gear up, hop on, and let the Zontes 350R take you on the ride of a lifetime. There you have it, a comprehensive and exhilarating overview of the Zontes 350R motorbike. Ready to hit the road and make some unforgettable memories with this incredible machine. Let me know what you think in the comments. Regards, Madmick.